make friends. A few might come in saying like, I want to do some impact, I want to create some change in the society. Yes, you are also welcome, but there are different people with different opinions. But what finally matters is every opinion has to fall in the right place. Uh, why why should I continue in road track was my next question. Yes, I came into road track, I started knowing what is road track. Next question is, why should I continue in road track? And the only thing I found is I saw a transition in me. Just a college kid, 19-year-old, coming into an organization called Road Track. And at the age of 21, 22, 3 years into the organization, I saw a different Kirti Vivek. And I said, yes, this is the purpose. இதுக்காக தான் நான் ரோட் ட்ராக்ல இருக்கேன். So why am I in road track? This I am changing. The personality I used to possess when I was 18, I'm not the same person when I'm 21 or 22. So I thought, okay, so this is the next question I have to ask for myself. If I have to sustain in road track, it is a why. Why should I sustain? Relationship முடிக்கிறாங்க, they become IPP, they stay there. After IPP, many of them, they just go away as passing clouds. Yeah, that is as simple as asking why. So I was asking the same question to myself. Why should I continue in road track? Just give me a minute. Yeah. And I got my answers. Road track makes me happy. And I have a purpose in road track, that is to cultivate a new skill every year or every day, you can call it. And I could see a transformation in me. So அங்கதான் நின்னுச்சு அந்த why question வந்து I had a purpose. So when I knew the essence of this is, uh, I just completed my college. It was 2014. முடிச்சுட்டு வெளியே வரேன். And I was one student who's not an engineering geek கிடையாது. And I'm not a geek by anyways. So what I thought was, second yearly அரியர் விழுந்துருச்சு. எல்லா கோர் சப்ஜெக்ட்லயும் வச்சேன். லைக் நாட் தட் அடிஷனல் சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் கிடையாது, எல்லா கோர் சப்ஜெக்ட்லயும் இருந்துச்சு. அண்ட் தேர்ட் இயர்ல 2 கிளியர் பண்ண 3 ஆட் ஆயிடுச்சு. எப்படியேதான் போச்சு என்னோட ஜேர்னி. ஸோ ஃபைனல் இயர் வந்தேன். ஃபைனல் இயர் வரும்போது வென் ஐ என்டர் ஃபைனல் இயர், ஐ ஹேட் 5 ஸ்டாண்டிங் அரியர்ஸ் வித் மீ. கையில வச்சிருந்தேன் ஏதோ பொக்கிஷம் மாதிரி. வீட்டுல சொல்லலை, பிகாஸ் எப்படி ரியாக்ஷன் வரும்னு ஐ நீட் நாட் எக்ஸ்பிளைன். ஸோ மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் யூ நோ ஹவு த ரியாக்ஷன் வில் பி. சொல்லலை, அப்படியே எனக்குள்ளேயே ஒரு இது, ஒய் இட் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் என்னன்னு தெரியல, பட் எனக்கு பிடிக்கல. இட் வெண்ட் ஆன் அண்ட் சடன்லி there was one spark in me which I thought, okay, I need to clear every arrear. இதை விட்டா ஒன்னே முடிக்க முடியாது. ஏதோ ஒரு டைம் தான் நம்மளுக்கே மூளை வேலை செய்யும். சரி முடிச்சிடலான்னு ஒரு ஃபோர்ஸ் வரும், சரி அதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஐ ட்ரைட் மை பெஸ்ட். அண்ட் இன் சிங்கிள் ஷாட் ஐ கிளியர்ட் ஆல் த அரியர்ஸ். எப்படின்னு கேட்காதீங்க, எனக்கே தெரியாது, பட் இட் ஹேப்பன். ஐ கிளியர்ட். அண்ட் அன்டில் தட் டைம், இஃப் ஐ ரிமெம்பர், ஆகஸ்ட் 2013, அந்த டைம் வரைக்கும் ஐ வாஸ் நாட் எலிஜிபிள் ஃபார் எனி பிளேஸ்மெண்ட். ஸோ இப்போ நீங்க அட்டன் பண்ற பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் கிளாஸஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும், பட் அந்த பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் எலிஜிபிலிட்டியில நேமே கிடையாது. நானும் அப்படியே நான் பெருசா இதுக்கு ஒன்றும் யோசிக்கல. ஐ ஜஸ்ட் வெண்ட் ஆன் வித் த ஃப்ளோ. சடனா ரிசல்ட்ஸ் வந்துச்சு ஆகஸ்ட்ல. அண்ட் ப்ரீவியஸ் செமஸ்டர் எல்லாமே கிளியர். ஐ காட் எலிஜிபிள் ஃபார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கம்பெனி. அதுக்கப்புறமா வரது வந்து இன்ஃபோசிஸ். ஐ காட் எலிஜிபிள் ஃபார் இன்ஃபோசிஸ். என் நேம் நான் எதிர்பார்க்கவே இல்லை. நான் லாஸ்ட் பெஞ்ச் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டு. ஸோ இப்பதான் மீம்ஸ் எல்லாம் வருது. ஸோ அந்த மீம்ஸ் கண்டென்ட் எல்லாம் நாங்கள் 5 வருஷம் முன்னாடியே பண்ணியாச்சோம். லாஸ்ட் பெஞ்ச் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அப்படியே ஜாலியாக தான் இருந்தோம். அண்ட் மை நேம் கடைசியில வருது லிஸ்ட்ல. அப்புறம் எல்லாருக்கும் லைக் ஐ வாஸ் ஷாக்ட். எப்படின்னா, இல்ல உனக்கு இப்ப கிளியர் ஆச்சுல, இது அப்டேட்டட் லிஸ்ட், போன வாரம் வரைக்கும் உனக்கு பிளேஸ்மெண்டே கிடையாது, இப்ப வழி இல்லை, நீ கிளியர் பண்ணிட்ட, ஸோ அதனால பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் போய் அட்டன் பண்ணாங்க. சரி பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் வருது, ஸோ வாட், சரி. as I said earlier, I always like to take that risk and get to know. புதுசா இது என்ன நடக்குது, இது என்னன்னு போய் பார்த்துருவோமே, அந்த ஒரு ஆஸ்பெக்ட்ல தான் நான் இன்டர்வியூக்குள்ளேயே போனேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வாஸ் ஆப்டிடியூட் ரவுண்ட். லக்கிலின்னு சொல்றதா, ஐ டோன்ட் நோ வாட் வேர்ட் டு யூஸ். ஐ நெவர் ப்ரிப்பேர், கிளியர் பண்ணிட்டேன். அண்ட் இன்டர்வியூக்குள்ள போகும்போது ஐ வாஸ் த ஒன்லி பர்சன் ஹூ ஹேட் லைக் வென் த இன்டர்வியூ ஹேப்பன்ட், ஹெச்ஆர் கிட்டே கேள்வி கேட்ட ஒரே ஆள் நான் தான். And I will say one sequence that happened in the entire interview process. So people used to ask, what road track gives you? I can only put my collar up and say, road track gave me a job. Road track gave me a career. So I was the only person who went in. First, when the interview started, A4 sheet, neat paper, they gave into my hand, asked me to write a C program for Fibonacci series. A guy who had history of 5 years, who cleared it by luck, and they asked me to write a C program for Fibonacci series. நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது as include std io டாஜர் co conio டாட் h ஏதோ ஒன்று வரும். அந்த ஸ்டார்டிங் எட்டர் தாண்டி ஒரு லைன் எழுத தெரியாது எனக்கு. ஸோ ஐ வாஸ் லைக் என்ன பண்ணலாம், எப்படியே பேப்பர் வச்சுக்க பெண்ணும் கையில வச்சுருக்காங்க. அவரும் அப்படியே குறுக்கு குறுன்னு பார்த்துக்க என்னடா பண்ணுவான்னு பார்ப்போம். இட்ஸ் ஒன் டு ஒன் ஹெச்ஆர். ஸோ ஹெச்ஆர் இஸ் ரைட் அக்ராஸ் த டேபிள் அண்ட் ரைட் இன் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆஃப் ஹிம் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் டூ ஆஃப் அஸ் இன் த ரூம். அப்போ ஐ ஜஸ்ட் மேட் ஒன்ஸ் தாட், இது நம்மளோட பிளே கிரவுண்ட் கிடையாது, என்ன பால் போட்டாலும் போல்டு கன்ஃபார்ம். The only thing I can do is, I know I was strong with whatever I was doing in road track. So some way or the other, எப்படியாவது இவ்வளவு நம்ம ரோட் ட்ராக் ஜர்னிக்குள்ள உள்ள இழுத்துணுமே. ப்ரொஃபைல்ல இருக்கு, பட் இட்ஸ் ஆன் த லாஸ்ட் பேஜ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜ்ல வந்து அந்த போடுவாங்க இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் ஃபீல்ட்ஸ். அதுல வந்து என் ஃப்ரெண்டு போடுறான்னு சொன்னதா நானும் போட்டுவிட்டேன் ப்ரோக்ராமிங்னு. அவர் பற்றி சி ப்ரோக்ராம் கேட்டார், ஒன்னும் தெரியாது. அப்படியே உட்காந்துட்டு ஓகே வாட் நெக்ஸ்ட். ஸோ ஐ தாட் ஒன் திங், ஓகே, when you know you are in rough waters, when you know it's not your strong zone, you have to make something to make the other person come into your zone. அப்படியே சார் வெல் அப்படியே ஓகே. I said, look, I can learn to do programming. That is not a problem. If you want me to write a program right now, I won't be able to do it. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தெரியாது, அது அப்படி சொன்னோம்னா சிக்கிடுவோம். So வந்து just putting things in the right form. I said, okay, I can do it in this way. And he said, you would have studied C programming in your engineering. I said yes, but if you want me to remember every program we learned, it's not possible. I don't know. Then he said, okay, wait. அப்புறம் ப்ரொஃபைல்ல செகண்ட் பேஜ் திருப்பிட்டாரு. I was having my fingers crossed. எப்படியாவது ரோட் ட்ராக்னா என்னன்னு கேட்டுருணும். I was just having my mind prepared. So each suddenly came in, asked, you said you are in road track, and I see you being the chairman for a few events. So what do you do in road track? Just one question he asked me. I knew this is my last over. If I don't finish it off, I'm not going anywhere. I spoke continuously for 10 minutes. அவரு கேப் விட்டாதான் அவருக்கு அடுத்த கேள்வி யோசிக்க தோணும். 10 minutes sure shot straight I was going. This is what we do in road track. I've been a chairman. I've been so everything. I'm putting everything as a masala. I gave it to him, and he said, good. And I will give you one situation. You answer this situation, and let's take it forward. This shouldn't be any technical question. So he's just saying a situation, and I was just wondering. He said it's related to event. Until then, my seating position in the interview was like that. When he said it's something related to events, I went back and sat like this. Kele, தைரியமான ஆளாச்சே, கேளு. அப்படிதான் அந்த kind of, I had so much of confidence what road track gave me. It was all confidence that mattered. And he asked me, you get into this situation of event and something happens, and how would you react? I gave him an answer right away. I never thought even for 2 seconds. It was a spontaneous answer, and he said, good. And he asked me, what you have any other questions? One thing what happens with road tractors is they get to so much of exposure. They are never fearing to talk to people, and the spontaneity always comes up. Next thing what happens is an extra confidence also comes in. When the HR is asking you, do you have any questions to him? You should have said, no, sir, thank you for the opportunity, and should have walked out. But so what I did is, instead of being quiet, I said, sir, I came in, all my intro is done, but you never told me your name. May I know who you are? However, he was taken aback. This guy is asking me who I am. Oh, he just looked at me and he stood up. He gave me his hand. He said, I am so and so, I'm Anwar, and I work for HR in this company. I said, okay, great, nice meeting you. And he came out. It was a 25 minutes interview. And I came out, everyone were like, what happened? I said, I did nothing related to technical, but I was just talking to him for the every 25 minutes of it. And let's see, they 0% chance when I came out, because everyone else, they came out with that same A4 sheet, written Fibonacci series in hand. After they completed the interview, I gave that sheet also back to the interviewer. They came out with empty hands. I said, okay, that's it, fine. What I just wanted to know what is the extract of it. Okay, I went. That was my first interview. I wanted to know what this interview gives me. And in that interview, I knew Rotrack gives me confidence. Rotrack gave me the confidence, and Terila, I went in, I came out, and you won't believe it, my friends. Out of 70 people who got selected in that particular year, from that just two colleges combined interview. It's a Ramakrishna Engineering College. All the Coimbatore people they know, and it's Ramakrishna Institute of Technology. So out of the 70, I was the only one who was got selected with the history of arrears. All other CGPA 8.1, 7.9, 8.4, 8.8. நம்மளுக்கு வந்து history of arrears. And that was a miracle. Entire college they started celebrating me for no reason. I didn't know how it happened. But college staffs எல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியும். I knew you will do this someday. அதே ஸ்டாஃப் ஒரு மாசம் முன்னாடி நீ உருப்படவே மாட்ட, நீ எல்லாம் தண்டோன்னு திட்டினாலே அதுவும் எனக்கு தான் தெரியும். But when I went into the staff room, they were like, I knew you will definitely achieve it. எனக்கா மைண்ட்ல அப்படியே ஓடுது, நீ தானே 3 மாசம் முன்னாடி எனக்கு திட்டின. I couldn't express it. It all went ahead, but I got a job. I got a career. And when I looked back in the entire profile, I took my friend's profile. எனக்கு எப்படி இவன் வேலை கொடுத்தான் தான் என்னோட தெரியாம எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து பார்த்தேன். One thing that stood out, you need to mark my words, everyone else were students and I was a Rotractor. That mattered. That really mattered, because Infosys kind of company, they're just looking for people who is able to express themselves. We still know some friends, when you ask them to talk, they'll be full of content, but when we ask them to talk, even if they stammer, it's fine. It's something that happens with everybody, but they don't even take the initiative to talk. But we do. The same Kirti Vivek, before that, like before I became a Rotractor, I studied in a Anglo-Indian school. It was a convent. Everything is fine, but even though I had a content in me, I couldn't express myself. Still, it was happening. When I came into Rotrack, I still remember my installation address. And the podium பின்னாடி போய் நின்னுட்டு, அந்த போடியம் ஏதோ நம்ம அந்த வயசான பார்ட்டி நடக்கும் பாரு, அந்த கிளச்சஸ் அந்த மாதிரி அந்த போடியம் பிடிச்சிட்டு அப்படியே பேசுறேன். I was shivering. My legs were doing all kinds of Prabhudeva movements. I was right in front of the mic. I am delivering my welcome address as a, like my acceptance address as a president. And 1.5 years or 2 years later, I used to come out of the stadium, the podium, pardon me, come out of the podium, take the mic in my hand, I can address right now. I don't need a podium. I can expose my leg. I can tell them, look, this is what it is. And what has happened is, Rotrack gave me the confidence. It has totally transformed my life. If people have to ask me what Rotrack gives you, it will say, look at this person. Kirti Vivek was different, and Rotractor Kirti Vivek is totally different. And after that moment, I thought, this is an organization I need to sustain. I was already part of it, but I wanted to sustain in it. So the difference is, you can always be part of any organization. You pay the dues or you pay a membership in a club. You can always be a member. But how much ever you are involved, you transform yourself. I have been one of the privileges brothers of a few of my friends. One fellow was a mechanical engineer. Another person was electronic and communication engineer. I got them into Rotrack. They got interest in designing, and now both of them are they are editors in 2 different companies. And one fellow, he cleared arrears only last year, but he completed college in 2015. but he has a career in hand. What happened is they come out and say this guy changed my entire career, and I was like, I'm not that kind of emotional guy. There was no tears flowing. Such things never happened. But I was just looking at them. I see them how they came into the club. And இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா one fellow he came to Infosys and he's a design architect for Infosys. But he's a engineer, and engineering whatever he studied he didn't come with this. He came in with aspects and talent of a Photoshop and Corel. Roadtrack gave him a different career. So அப்பதான் முடிவு பண்ணேன். Why road track? Why should I sustain in road track? And the journey started from there. I wanted to contribute more. When a particular organization gives you a life, a career, you always feel grateful to the organization. You always feel like I need to give back this to this organization. So that is when it all started. 4 years, I was developing myself. Still, I'm developing myself. But after that time, you feel like I need to give back the organization. I need to be thankful to whatever this road track movement has given me. So I thought I need to stay here to do what I have to do. And it all went ahead. And the next question I started with 3 words saying why, what, why, and how. How am I going to sustain? You don't need any designation to sustain in road track. Only thing you need is you need to be among the people. You need to talk to people. You need to have that attitude to learn and also let learn. So it's a very tricky term. When you say I learn, it's singular. You learn. And when you say let learn, you learn and you're ready to let the people around you learn. So that's where you develop yourself as a leader. Because now starting when I asked Lokesh, like should I talk more on this thing? Now he said no, bookies is வேணாம்னா பசங்கிட்ட லைவ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் சொல்லும் போது this is the live experience. நீங்க மட்டுமே கத்துக்கிட்டு நீங்க மட்டுமே ஒரு ரேஸ்ல ஓடுனீங்கன்னா ரேஸ் பார்க்க ரொம்ப மொக்கையா இருக்கும். But if somebody you become a leader, that's a different story. When somebody comes up and saying you are my inspiration, you changed my life, you just don't become a leader there, you become a role model. Many leaders are role models to many other people. Only thing they don't do it in the so few, they will keep on running and you become a boss. When you keep on running for yourself, you become a boss. But when you start running for the people around you, you become a leader. Road track is all we talk about leadership, but there are different types of leadership. Always try to be a leader who runs for his people. First 2-3 years, learn as much as you can, experiment as much as you can. After that, teach the same thing to the next gen of people. So what Karasya, how do I do it? I said, okay, I need to talk to my incoming younger generation. I need to give them that essence of what road track has given me. I need to bring in more people to this organization, and as a whole, I learn, and I also help the people around me learn. The process kept on going, and finally, I stand here as a district road track representative for the Rotary year 2021-22. And if you and even here before I did this decision, I asked the same 3 questions: what, why, and how. What is this designation all about? I wanted to know what I can give back to this organization. Yes, I have been a district secretary a couple of years back. In 1819, I was a district secretary of the same district, 3201. And after that, I was thinking to myself, okay, what if a DRR? What do you get to do as a DRR? Yes, my answers were there. Then I asked to myself, why should I become a DRR? And then I wrote my answers. Then I thought, how do I get my ideas in doing during the DRRship? How do I deliver it to people? So, as you started off in the intro saying like the people's DRR, so it just came from the people. It was not even in my mind. But that tagline, it's so emotionally connected. So I wanted to give back to the people, and I wanted to give in the best place. So leadership is always about being at the right place at the right time. I definitely believe this. Problem, no problem. Technology might fail, never road track. So yes, uh, wherever I left was about my entrepreneur venture. So how things happened was, uh, it was just over lunch break. I just spoke to my colleagues, and they had a confidence in me. They were asking me, "How did you come up with this idea?" I just told them, like, I wanted to do something that makes me happy, that gives me the passion to do it. And I also told them one thing: I will be there whenever the shop needs me. I'll be there whenever the restaurant needs me. But one thing, I will take my time off for road track every week, and that is something you should be always okay with, because we are three partners, and I am the only person who's a road tractor. I am the only person from this part of the state. And they were like, if the shop needs you, I said, whenever it needs me, I'll be there. I'm a person who never minds traveling. I'm a voracious traveler. But still, I told them I was very particular that the time I take for road track should never be affected by any of this. And I have this alignment even with my office. So they know whenever I am busy with road track, they even don't ask me questions. So you can always create that kind of a vibe around you. And I went on to become an entrepreneur. I do manage, do multitasking. I do manage things. I am a restaurant at Chennai. I'm a road tractor from Coimbatore. Yeah, 500 kilometers separate, but still I'm able to manage things. What it is road track gives you the courage and the confidence to experiment things in life. If I was not a road tractor, I would have never ever dreamt of becoming an entrepreneur. I was a typical guy who comes out of engineering. Sorry, it's typical to complete engineering in India. So I did that, came out, joined a IT company. Then I was planning to go, the relatives. Whenever you are into an IT, the next question they ask is, when are you going to an on-site? But I am just looking out for the same relatives. For last 5 months, they haven't even spoken to me. If they are going to ask me, when are you going for an on-site? I have ready-made answers for it. First question is my life okay? If I will I be safe going to abroad? And next, I want to do. They wanted me to do abroad MBA or something. Either of this would have happened if I was not a road tractor. But when I became a road tractor, it gave me that kind of self motivation and self confidence. And the confidence is something that happens even when you have good people around you. They gave me that confidence, made me to become a decision maker for myself. So people will come in, people will ask you to do this, that, everything, but you become a good decision maker only after you get your exposure into something that is unparalleled. And I would definitely term road rack on that part of level. The experience you get here, I'm telling it, I am into a corporate company. I have done a lot of mistakes in road track. I have learned from it. But if you do one mistake in your company, you are done. They will take all kinds of revenge they had on you for the last so many months, and they'll put it inside one 5 by 8 meeting room, and get it all sorted. But in road track, you have to believe me, it's always good. It's always fine when you make mistakes. But I always tell this: it's great to make mistakes, but make sure you always learn from the mistakes. Mistakes always fine until the learning is good. That's how my journey in road track all happened. What I was 8 or 9 years before, I'm not the same person here. And if somebody, even I need not tell this, you can ask people who are my school buddies or my office colleagues. I always stand apart. It's not for something I am boasting for myself, but they feel proud saying like I am a road tractor and I do so many things. I have listened to my friends saying that that fellow is a road tractor. And you see him, this fellow is doing that, this fellow is doing this. Look, இவன் ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்றான்டா ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்கான் பாரு நம்ம தான் வெட்டியா இருக்கோம் I gave such kind of feelings comes to them. They feel they are jobless when I put some post regarding road track. So some of them they even went on to do something of their own and it was all good. And to finish you off, like I have a small presentation. It's a very small one. I don't want to, as I said earlier, I don't want to make it very bookish. I don't want to be another online class tutor who gets abused after the meeting gets over. So I want to be that an interactive person. Many of you would have a choice. Like a few get inspired and motivated by a personality. So just tell me in the chat box what keeps you motivated. It could be you get motivated or somebody inspires you, whatever, it's fine. But just put on a chat box what or whichever thing is the one that keeps you motivated or inspired. Okay. Oh, great. I've got 3 responses. We have 26 participants. Yeah. I wait for 10 to 15 seconds. And the president himself hasn't answered. Okay. Negative speeches from people. Few more seconds and I'll resume. You. Yes. Okay. So you know what motivates me or inspires? An ant motivates me. எறும்பு பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? An ant. When you look at an ant, it's one of the most laboring insect in the world. Have you seen any ant in your life standing in one place, idle? Have you ever seen in your life? Give me a yes or a no in the chat. I have got a few no. Yes. Yes. So that's the difference here. It is not idle. My question was very clear. I asked, have you seen an ant being idle? So sugar, it is an interest for you. For us, it could be achievements. We need to achieve our goal. For an ant, sugar is the goal. When it reaches that goal, it takes time to enjoy. But have you seen it idle? I have never seen an ant idle in my life. It keeps on doing something or the other. இங்க நாங்க ஓடும் அங்க இங்க போகும் இங்க போய் ஏதாவது ஒரு துணியை நோண்டிட்டு இருக்கும் எக்ஸைட் ஏதாவது வரும் இல்லையா நம்மளும் டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணோம் நம்மளை கடிச்சு வச்சு அது ஜாலியா போயிடும் பட் இட் கீப்ஸ் ஆன் டூயிங் சம்திங் அதர் ஸோ தட் thirst to do something new is what defines a road tractor. You ask any road tractor, if he comes in he comes in, he just looks at something and if he's just still there, it means he's not interested, he's not involved. But when you find someone hyperactive, you need to compare him with an ant. Ant is such an laboring insect, and you can take inspiration from the ant. We always, when we say inspiration, நம்ம தலையெல்லாம் மேல போயிடும் அப்துல் கலாம் அப்படி அந்த லெவலுக்கு நம்ம டிராவல் பண்றோம் பட் surrounding us, our inspiration, our motivation is always around us. It's something every other road tractor can inspire you. I always tell this to my friends. Inspiration is a two-way process. It's just not மேல இருக்கவங்கள பார்த்து தான் கீழ இன்ஸ்பயர் ஆகணும்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா we are failing there. You can take inspiration from anybody. All of you here, 27 of you, 26, I will find some positive in you. You can all be my inspiration. And it's a two-way process. So finishing here, I had a small presentation. I will just tell you what are the things that keeps you motivated, and being leaders, you definitely have to know this. Okay, this is since it's starting of the year, I named it a new beginning. Um, the four factors of motivation. How do you like? What are the things that helps you getting motivated? Is leadership style. Imagine yourself being in a company or being in a club, and you have a Hitler kind of leader on the top. Will you be motivated to work? Like who are the people on? Okay, I'm just yes. I will have the chat open. Yes, no, not at all. Anyone else? I'm expecting more answers. If you have Hitler kind of person right on the top, will you be motivated to do work? That is my question, first of all. Is there a lag in my chat, or no one has responded later?
Anna, we are responding now. I think
Okay.
you have
Okay, yeah. I guess there's a lag in my chat. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Never. Thank you. Yeah, that matters. So a leader is the one, the style what he does it, what really matters. When you are in a place where there's so much of great leadership happening, you find yourself self-motivated to contribute something. And if you want such kind of things to happen, my friends, you have to be in road track. You get an opportunity to see different styles of leadership, and you try to imbibe some qualities from them. So in turn, what happens is you transform yourself as a leader of different class. That's the first thing. Being all leaders, when you come into road track, you are not, whenever you enter road track, you are all in the verge of becoming a leader. Have that in mind. Now, a leader, I am a leader, I am a leader. Just keep this within you. So, when you looking at a person on above you or around you, you try to take some quality of them and you convert yourself into a leader. So, that is the kind of attitude we should have. Reward. So, it could be a reward system, or you can call it a recognition. You do something good and you don't get recognized. Will you do the same thing next or sometime later? So my answer is no. If anybody has a difference, yes, you can always put it in the chat box. But on a whole, when you are doing something good, you like to be recognized. When you don't get recognized for the right things, obviously you get demotivated. Few might say, yes, I will keep on running because I love to do. Yes, you will do for the second ladder, you do for the third ladder, but in the fourth level, you will also feel bad about it. So this is a two-way process. You need to get recognized, and also you must know how to recognize the other person. Next, the organizational climate. What I mean by here is the people around you. If somebody is talking, Lokesh, can you mute that person? Like, can you mute everyone except me?
Done now. Continue.
Okay. So organization climate is working area. The workspace should be very good. It could be a company, it could be a road track, your road track club. If you don't have positive vibes around you, you won't feel motivated. That should be a kind of energy that keeps you going. Because we always see different clubs. A few clubs will be performing on hyperactive basis. A few clubs will be just active. They're just doing certain things what they like to do. But what separates them is the environment that happens there. You need to give that positive environment. So that's what they mean by organizational climate. This is an organization what we call the road track, and the climate or the vibe around it, the energy level should be always positive. You should create that positive energy, and also you should try to be in the positive energy. So it's, as I said, everything is a two-way process. Unless you want to give, you will never you will not be able to take something back. And structure of work, most important thing. We will take cricket as an example. Will you get down Ishant Sharma as an opener in your World Cup final? Give me yes or no in the chat box. But leave it Ishant Sharma. Put any tail under. Will you open the innings with that person? It's a no. It's a definite no. The reason is for that particular work, you need to have that person assigned. Need to have a Rohit Sharma or a Dhawan to open the innings. And not anybody won't prefer Ishant Sharma. So the structure of work always happen. They can't come and bowl the starting spell, but he can't go and do the opening of the innings. So what matters in the end is the structure of work you provide there. Because every green road tractor or any new road tractor here, what matters is you might be new for this organization, but down the lane you might be the leader leading this organization. So you must know how you structure the work for the people who work with you. I will never say they work under you. In road track, they work with you. So be sure you give the proper structure to the proper person. That will definitely create an impact. So these four things are the factors of keeping ourselves motivated or people around us motivated or the entire organization motivated. And last one, types of motivation. So I'm not sure how many of you are aware of this. These are a lot of types of motivation, but this is something that the key types of it. Achievement motivation. So these are people who are driven to achieve something. இதை நான் பண்ணணும் அந்த ஒரு அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்டுக்காக they want to achieve that, so they keep themselves motivated, they keep running. It all comes under motivation, but these are the different types. They keep themselves running when they want to achieve something. Next is affiliation. You love to do the thing, you like doing it, so you want to continue doing it. That is affiliation. You would like to do that, so they continue doing it. That keeps you motivated. Next, competence motivation. So what happens here is you want to take on some challenges. Competence is mostly we compare this, we say like it's more like a competition. No, whenever there's a challenges in right in front of you, that is competence motivation. You want to cross that particular hurdle, so you push yourself to do it. So you're being competitive there, you want to cross that hurdle, so that is competence motivation. Next is power motivation. So the best example is uh, you call it Mayavadi, the CM right now. What they do is they try to enforce a power on somebody to get the particular results done. This is power motivation. You use your power to get the work done. Not always this will be helpful, my friend. Sometimes it will backfire. So this is something. It's just types of motivation. So you should know what kind of person you are, what kind of motivation you have. Next is attitude motivation. This really matters. A few the same particular thing. You make sure like of one person. The recent trend is TikTok happening. TikTok is getting banned. So we see lots and lot of meme. நிறைய கண்டென்ட் போயிட்டு இருக்கு, ஃபுல் ஃபன்னா இருக்கு இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ஓபன் பண்ணாலே. பட் வாட் மேட்டர்ஸ் இஸ் this particular action. It has two sides of people. One person's attitude towards TikTok is different from the other. One feel that is a platform, they all find themselves as actors, they think they are a hero or a heroines, and they live in such kind of a platform. The other side, they think this is not even required for a society, it's not even required for an environment, so why should we have it? So the attitude motivation, these people they have positive attitude towards this, so they get motivated towards TikTok. These people they don't have the positive attitude towards it, so they are obviously running away from TikTok. So these are two sets of people. So that's where motivation, the attitude towards what you are looking at right in front of you matters. Finally, it's incentive motivation. The term by itself, it is very very self-explanatory. It all does with money, and this is not something we have a lot to do when it comes to road track. But when it comes to your life, you try to do something really great, you want to do that. At the end of the day, you expect a small increment in your salary, or you expect profit when it comes to business. So that is the incentive motivation. And the final one, the one I love the most, it is fear motivation. If you fear of failing in something, you find yourself motivated to not to fear or not to fail. If you have the fear to fail, you try your best not to fail in that. That is your motivation. So that is uh, where it comes the fear motivation. So the last is always be thankful. So this is all about the current pandemic COVID-19 situation we are all facing. So rather than talking about the negatives that is happening, be thankful to these set of people. Be the uh, Swiggy person who takes that risk, or be it your sewage cleaner, be it your police person, be it your hospital doctors, nurses, drivers. Be thankful. Being thankful as a leader is a trait you carry forward. And to end this particular session, thank you, Road Tractor Logesh, Road Tractor Kiran, Road Tractor Deepasri, and the entire Road Track Club of Coimbatore Majestic. I have few friends from other district 3141. Thanks for being here. Thanks for listening for the past an hour or maybe a few minutes short. What matters is you have gave me an opportunity. I hope I feel this and a place where I got to know you all, and I will always feel great to be among road tractors. It was happening then, now, and forever. I always love to be among road tractors. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Keep your surroundings also healthy and safe. Thank you. And Lokesh, I can take some questions if anybody asks, or I would also love to hear some feedback. So, text feedback, I want people to either switch on their video or at least unmute themselves and talk. It could be a question or it could be a feedback. I would love to listen.
Hello.
I will go on mute first.
Hello. Kirtina. So இது வந்துட்டு question or feedback கிடையாது, but it's a kind request from my side. Like road trackல நிறைய advantagesம் இருக்கு, but disadvantageன்னு நான் இது சொல்ல மாட்டேன். But then இந்த time management, prioritizing things between work and family and road track, அதெல்லாம் எப்படி வந்துட்டு இந்த நியூ road trackers பண்ணணும், அதை பத்தி நீங்க அவங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் சொன்னீங்கன்னா நல்லா இருக்கும்னு தோணுச்சு.
Okay, so it's all about priority. இந்த பிரச்சனை வந்து நியூ ரோட் டிராக்டர்ஸ் மட்டும் இல்ல, எனக்கும் இன்னும் இருக்கு. ஸோ ஐ டூ ஹேவ் மை பர்சனல் லைஃப், ஐ டூ ஹேவ் அ ப்ரொஃபஷனல் லைஃப். ஆஸ் ஐ செட், ஐ ஒர்க் ஃபார் அன் கார்பரேட். I am also an entrepreneur and we are facing a lot of crisis situation. But what keeps you intact is you need to be prioritizing your things. So that really matters. ஃபேமிலிக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து நீ என்ன பண்றன்னு தெரியணும். தட் ரியலி மேட்டர். நிறைய பேர் வந்து ரோட் ட்ராக் என்னன்னு உங்க ஃபேமிலிக்கு சொல்ல மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க. நம்ம யாருமே கிரிமினல் அஃபென்ஸ் எதுவும் பண்றது இல்ல. பண்ணக்கூடாத இந்தியன் கவர்மெண்ட் அகேன்ஸ்டா எதுவும் பண்றது இல்ல. பட் ஸ்டில் why are we hesitating to join up? Our parents, they have a fear, which is very, very right when it comes to their perspective. Tell them what you're doing in road track. It will definitely change their perspective towards it, and you need to prioritize things. When you're going to road track, you should have your timeline. When you like your family needs you at 9 o'clock at night, you are in a road track program. The program is already over. You're just talking with your friends. Your friends will definitely understand. Tell them be back at your family with your family at 9 o'clock. That's how you need to balance things. I will never say you go into road track, just get into road track. It's not the thing. You have to prioritize. Have a schedule. In the time முடிஞ்சிருந்தா இங்க ஓடியே ஆகணும். After some time you get used to it. It happens. It becomes like an habit. As I said, like I travel like anything. But still, what happens in the end of the day is such kind of travel cannot happen if I don't do my priorities right. When I say a club is doing a project, when I agree to be there, I be there whatever happens. I have never failed from being there. Even though I'm in Chennai, I take the last minute bus. Even at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, I be there the next day morning, I attend it. Thing is, you need to prioritize. There are two ways. Either you can opt out or you should definitely opt in. So it's all up to us to decide what we want to do and how we are going to do it, what priority everything holds. Yes, anyone else? I hope it was fine, Vidya.
அண்ணா லோகேஷ்ண்ணா.
Yeah, சொல்றா.
நான் மெஜஸ்டிக் ஒரு அட்வைஸ் ஆர் சஜஷன்னா என்ன சொல்லுவீங்க?
அட்வைஸ் சஜஷன் சொல்றது வேற. டு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆஃப், என்ஜாய் ரோட் ட்ராக். ரோட் ட்ராக் இஸ் நெவர் அ பர்டன். நிறைய பேர் ரோட் ட்ராக் ஈவென்ட் வர்றதே ஒரு பர்டனா நினைச்சிட்டு வரீங்க. ஐயோ இன்னைக்கு மீட்டிங் போகணுமா? That's why I started off. What is your thought about the motivation of what is it? Like they shouldn't feel like இவன் வருவான், இவன் வேற ஒரு மணி நேரம் இருப்பானே அப்படின்னா you're done. When we come in, if with that attitude like we want to enjoy road track, I'm here to enjoy road track, things are different. Enjoy road track and Majestic, you are in the right phase of road traction. Yes, ups and downs உங்க கிளப்பை நான் வந்து 2011 இருந்து பார்த்துக்கேன். ஸோ 8 years now. I have seen this club. I have seen them taking different things in the journey. What matters in the end of the day is you need to be confident about yourself. நீங்க ஒரு இனிஷியேட்டிவ் எடுக்கிறீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உங்க மெம்பர்ஸ் வந்து they should feel confident about that initiative. Then obviously you will start enjoying. Create a family environment. அதுக்கு நீ ஒன்றும் பண்ண வேண்டாம், அதுவே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா நடக்கும். And we have some friends from other districts, so if they could open up, I will be glad to hear from them if they are still in. Okay, please read the chat box. Sorry. Okay, so to be honest, I just read it out. Or Lokesh, you can read it out. நீ தானப்பா பிரசிடென்ட்.
I'll read it out, ma.
Very helpful, right? Enthusiastic stories and thoughts give me inspiration and makes me believe that everything is achievable unless I try hard. And giving my faithful Rotaract is amazing platform to transform and truly from the betterment for them and the society. The session was super motivated. Thank you so for sharing your stories. From Yuvashik Prem Club Ambassador Rotaract Club of KC College RID 3141.
எஸ் அது வரும்போது படிச்சிட்டேன். So is Balaji still in? Okay. I just like to thank his presence. Over to you. If anyone has any questions or feedback, I can hear them, or it's over to the meeting chair.
I have a feedback here.
சொல்றா.
Feedback ஒன்றும் பெருசா இல்லைனா, like you can see participants skipping their online classes இப்போவே. ஸோ அந்த அளவு செஷன் வந்து நல்லா போயிருக்கு. அதனால தான் they still staying back நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ சேம் ஃபாலோஸ்
கிளாஸஸ் இருக்கா இப்போ முடியலையா?
அது லைன் from 10 to 4 it goes on.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah.
இருக்கும் பாக்குறேன் இல்லையே. பாக்குறேன். சரி திருப்பி வரேன் ஒரு 1 minute செஷன்ல இருக்கேன். Yeah. Sorry, I got a office call. Yeah.
No problem.
Okay. இன்னும் இருக்கா? Fine. அதுவும் just take it light, man. Life is
So
அவ்வளவுதான்.
that defines how the session was. College session விட்டுட்டு இங்க உட்கார்ந்து that defines how the session was. Nothing much.
Just from my heart, nothing else. என்ன நடந்துச்சோ அததான் சொன்னேன். Yes, Lokesh, you can take it forward.
Thank you now. Closing thoughts by the President. Thank you so much for the wonderful session now. I hope that if the session Agaram would be a best and first year 2021 by the Rotaractor past President Keith Vivekana. உண்மையா இந்த செஷன் இவ்வளோ தூரம் இன்டராக்டிவா கொண்டு போனதுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ்ண்ணா. உண்மையாவே கிளாஸஸ் இன்னும் ஆடிபிளானா
கேக்குதுப்பா.
இன்னும் கிளாஸஸ் இன்னும் 4 o'clock வரைக்கும் கண்டினியூ ஆகிட்டு தானே இருக்கு. இருந்தாலே ஜெய்சூர்யா நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி ரொம்ப இன்டராக்டிவா இருந்ததுனாலதான் எல்லாருமே இன்னும் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னா அதான் ரொம்ப இதுலயே நீங்க மோட்டிவேஷன் டு எமர்ஜிங் கிரீன் ப்ரொடக்டர்ஸ்க்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் இதுதானே எங்களுக்கு. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்ண்ணா அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் எவ்ரி பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் for attending the session and other participants from other districts of RID 3141 and other RID districts. Thank you so much for attending the session. Agaram, thank you so much now once again, and the team Majestic wishes and congrats for the DRR for 21 and 22 now.
Thank you
so much.
இருந்தே செல்வோம், சிறப்பா செய்வோம்.
Vote of thanks by club secretary elect.
Am I audible now? Yeah, okay now. First of all, we are very fortunate to have you here because இப்போ நம்ம நடுவில் மீட்டிங் கட் ஆச்சு, பட் ஸ்டில் மெனி ஆஃப் them stayed back in spite of they are having online classes. So already Lokesh and RTR Jayana told that because of your session they left the college and they are staying back here, and they were it was not just a motivational talk now because நீங்க வந்து ஸ்டார்டிங்லேயே நாங்கள் கேள்வி எங்களுக்கு நிறைய இருந்திருக்கோம் ஆஸ் அ நியூ கிரீன் ரொட்டாக்டர்ஸ். நீங்கள் வந்து காலேஜ் அண்ட் ரொட்டாக்ட் கிளாஸ் இருக்கும், ஆனால் அதையும் நீங்கள் வந்து எப்படி டேக்கிள் பண்ணலாம் ஒரு சின்ன ட்ரிக் மாதிரி கூட சொன்னீங்க. லைக் when college lifts you back, Rotaract gives you a hand மாதிரி நீட்டாக சொல்லிட்டீங்க. அண்ட் லாஸ்டா நீங்க லைக் மோட்டிவேஷன்னா ஜஸ்ட் இட்ஸ் நாட் மோட்டிவேஷன், அதுலயும் நிறைய டீப்பா இருக்கு. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு எந்த மோட்டிவேஷன் தேவைப்படுதோ அதை கரெக்டா சூஸ் பண்ணி போற மாதிரி நீட்டா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். நான் we are on behalf of our club, I am so grateful to have you here, and I also like to thank all the participants to having be here, and maybe they should also have the online classes and they have bunked it. So thank you so much for attending. Agaram, you are the guys who made this session a success. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Karan. And wishes you all for the new Rotary year 2021 once again. The session Agaram, the motivational talk for the green emerging Rotractors, has been adjourned.
Thank you, everyone. I will take a leave. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.